Here's a certified 2018 Jeep Compass. Its size makes it practical, and since it's a Jeep, it can go practically anywhere. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports the front has been beefed up with the addition of a redesigned hood with a power bulge, tweaked fascia, altered grille design, revised fenders, and quad reflector style headlights. The Jeep life fits your life. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.